I've been meeting you on this another episode of our execution. So today we are about to do a small program in which we'll be having a few different types of file formats, and we'll be manipulating among that. Okay. So the four file types which we will be considering for our project is that we'll be taking a CSV file. We'll be taking a Parquet file, ORC file, and Avro file. Okay, so these are some of the files which we will be operating with. As we all know that CSV is completely the simplest form which we'll be using, and the Parquet is something that wherein we have the data in terms of column and predominantly used for analytics. And ORC, what we've seen in our previous class, okay, is completely meant for large analytical data. Okay, so where the optimization in terms of the row and columnar format helps us to operate it in a much easier way. And the third is complete, and the last is completely getting aligned with respect to row oriented, what we call it as Avro. Okay, which is consistently used for streaming where the exchange of data happens over another. Okay, so in our example we have the student data set in terms of CSV packet and student data set, and we'll be trying to convert them with respect to CSV packet to ORC and Avro. Okay, and afterwards what we will be trying to understand is that what is the file size when I convert them. And obviously, if I wanted to make some manipulations or operations on my existing, what is the time which has been taken by all four data sets? Okay, so if I do an operation, I wanted to identify which data set is giving me the quickest operations. Okay, so this is what we are about to do. I've executed the same using Google Colab, so let me take you there. Okay, here I have the code which has been executed in Google Colab. You will be getting the code for sure, and you can try executing the same. Okay, so in the first line, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to install the Python arrow for through which I'll be able to make use of the Avro files. Okay, and obviously we are installing the required libraries into it. Okay, and I'm setting my random seed as 10. You can set any other value also accordingly. Okay, so I do assume that my dataset has got a volume of about 1000 rows. Okay, and some of the details uh, which were considered in my dataset includes student ID, department, year, and marks which were given over here. Okay, and also their attendance. And what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to create a simple dataset using that. So that uh, created dataset has been given over here. Probably when you're looking at here, I have few other values, right, which were available here. And next in this step, I've already executed it in as it takes more time for installation. And next to which we have our Python arrow, wherein we'll be trying to convert these files. Okay, so all these data frames are getting converted into different formats which we are witnessing now. Okay, so I've converted into CSV, I've converted into Parquet, I've converted into ORC, and finally into Avro as we discussed earlier. Okay, so these details are completely available over here. Okay, and in the next phase, what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to understand what is the time difference that each file is making. Okay, so as you're looking at here, I have the CSV file wherein I'm just noting down what is the time which has been taken by each file. Okay, the same operation will be done across all the four different file formats which we were operating with. Okay, so that is what you're witnessing now. Okay, and next to which here we have what we are trying to do is that we are trying to understand what is the time which has been taken by all the three data sets. Okay, we have the file format in terms of CSV. The respective size is 171, and it has taken operational time of 0.008. Okay, and we do have the other types accordingly here. The respective size and the time which has been taken for any is given over here. Okay, and next to which what we are trying to do is that we are trying to give any operations on that file and trying to understand what is the average time which has been taken across my different file formats. Okay, so which were given here, and the respective time which were taken across for different operations is getting listed over here. Okay, so this is the department wise average marks I'm trying to take, and the computations were accordingly given over here. So this is the simple operations which we are trying with respect to this example. Thank you.